As Travis Kelce gears up for an NFL showdown in Las Vegas against the Raiders, Taylor Swift captivates thousands in New Orleans, miles away from the field. With her Eras tour reaching its final leg, fans are witnessing the unique balance between the pop star's high-energy performances and Kelce's focus on football, even as he admits to feeling FOMO over missing her Miami shows. Saturday saw the Kansas City Chiefs, including their star tight end Travis Kelce, touchdown in Las Vegas, ready to take on their AFC West rivals, the Las Vegas Raiders. Arriving in style, Kelce donned a sleek black and red bowling-style shirt layered over a black t-shirt, complemented by matching trousers, black sunglasses, and silver chains. His nod to the Viva Las Vegas spirit through this outfit was more than just stylish. It recalled his Elvis Presley-inspired celebration after the Chiefs' Super Bowl win at Allegiant Stadium, heightening anticipation for Sunday's game. However, despite the flashy arrival and high stakes, Kelce's famous girlfriend, Taylor Swift, will not be in the stands for this game. The pop icon is currently lighting up New Orleans with her electrifying Eras tour performances, giving her own fans a show to remember. Taylor Swift's second night at Caesars Superdome has already drawn thousands of eager fans, but her absence from Kelce's side is felt in the stands. The football star's admiration for Swift's show was evident on his recent New Heights podcast episode, where he spoke about his FOMO while his family attended her Miami concert. With a wistful tone, Kelce admitted that missing out on Swift's Miami spectacle stung, especially as he heard rave reviews from his brother, Jason, and their friends who had attended. "I had all the FOMO in the world," he confessed to Jason, who, along with his wife Kylie and their young daughters, enjoyed the show in Miami's Hard Rock Stadium. Jason Kelce couldn't contain his enthusiasm, recounting to Travis how Taylor's performance in Miami was on another level. Even their friends were buzzing with excitement, with Jason emphasizing that Swift's Miami show felt like an unforgettable celebration. Videos of Jason in the crowd showed him playfully shaking his hips, a move that has since gone viral and had fans praising the family's support for Swift. The fun continued as Kylie, affectionately dubbed Princess Kiana by Travis and Jason, embraced the role of Miss Americana for the night, snapping selfies and proudly singing along. Their daughters, dressed in sparkling outfits and wearing ear protection, seemed mesmerized by the experience, making memories to last a lifetime. Adding to the night's charm was a candid photo of Jason seemingly dozing off mid-concert, a scene that delighted fans and brought a laugh to social media. Jason's brief nap after all the excitement seemed fitting, especially as Swift's Eras tour remains a demanding and high-energy spectacle. Travis's absence, however, was felt keenly, both by Swift's fans and Kelce himself, who continues to juggle his football commitments with his dedication to supporting Swift whenever he can. With the Chiefs ready to tackle the Raiders and Swift dazzling New Orleans, fans are captivated by the energy both bring to their fields. While they may be worlds apart this weekend, their mutual admiration and support shine through. As Kelce takes on Las Vegas and Swift mesmerizes her audience in the Big Easy, their paths continue to intertwine in ways that leave fans eagerly awaiting their next reunion.